I would like to be able to share with you about how the words will and going to will help express the simple future tense. And in doing this, it will express a prediction. And these can be used interchangeably. They both give the same meaning and the same sentiment. And we're going to look at what happens. And it talks about what might happen in the future. It's not a definite, but it might happen. But yet there's this prediction that it will. Now, the interesting part is that the subject of the sentence has little control over the outcome. And so therefore, let's look at our examples on what does this mean. The first example I have is next year will be very interesting. It's a prediction. Next year will be interesting. But we can also say next year is going to be very interesting. We can say both ways. They mean the same thing, but here's the point that I was talking about. The subject doesn't have control. Next year, the year doesn't have control over what's going to happen or the result of it being interesting. It just has to be a prediction that it will be interesting. How about a boy named John? John will be the next class president. Okay, he's running for office for his class at school, but yet John is going to be the next class president. He has no absolute control that he will, but there's this prediction that all the kids in the class, all the students will vote for him. So there's this prediction, but he doesn't have absolute control over the outcome. How about our last one? A pretend movie named Zenith. The movie Zenith will win several awards. Okay, awards are pretty competitive for movies, but there's this prediction that it will. The movie Zenith is going to win several awards. They both mean the same thing in talking about the future and expressing this prediction.